Hi there, 7th graders. It's Mr. Kurt, and welcome to our very last week, week 17. Like it says, the last week. Be sure to know these dates. Here is your schedule here, and sorry if the quality of the video and everything's a little messed up. I'm actually kind of stuck up in the mountains, and we kind of have some iffy connection here, but all good. This is the last week of the semester, so we have the Unit 2 review. Hopefully you've done that by now. The Unit 2 final assessment point paragraph. That's the introductory paragraph to your 5-paragraph essay for the Unit 2 final. Hopefully you've gotten that done as well. The Unit 2 final assessment evidence paragraphs. Those are your 3 evidence paragraphs. And then, of course, Unit 2 Comp Government text-based assessment. That is your 5-paragraph essay. So this is all the same stuff that we were looking at last week. Really hoping that you are pretty well caught up on the discussion boards. If you're watching this on Monday, you should be pretty much finished with the 3 discussion boards. Really shooting to get people to turn in their Unit 2 final assessment by Tuesday. Hoping to get to a lot of these and get some feedback to you by Wednesday, because Thursday is the absolute deadline for any work. And so if there's something that you need to make up or anything, these are the next 3 days to do it. So make sure you get your Unit 2 assessment in, and all 3 of these discussion boards are all cut up. Hopefully you saw this announcement as well. This has our total points for the semester, how many you need for 60%, how many you need for 90%. You can figure out 70 and 80% too, I'm sure, but hopefully you've seen all of those. Let me know if you have any questions. This is the end of the semester. We start totally over next semester, so got to get stuff in. Let me know if you have any questions. Contact me all the usual ways. And with that, I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.